whether it is an adult. In the adult population itself, it is a surgical or a trauma patient, whether it is an Alzheimer patient, whether ADHD patient, psychological case. All these are important actually. The response is actually the basic thing may be the same, but the response you get will be different because you are assessing different parameters. In a trauma patient, had gone to coma, what are we expecting? The biological or the metabolic parameters has to come back, but at the same time the memory has to come back. So we are assessing that. But in the case of a cancer patient, our parameters are different. So the effect of music actually in every case there is an effect, but the effect will vary depending upon the patient's condition on which you are investigating. So that parameter is actually the variable which we decide. There alone is the variable that the clinician or the therapist determines. I am going to measure this and this and this. That thing we have to decide. But the other thing, that they can, so it's actually a client oriented, but on the research side and on the treatment side, we are giving those both. And for example, I think it is the mood system. That one you are assessing for the cancer patients. No? Yeah. Mood, how the change in mood happens, but that may not be necessary in other cases. Right. Unless of course there is a different depression or a difference in mood. Otherwise, they need not be assessed. So, suppose you need a assessment of a white neutrophil count, whether it is increasing, decreasing. So those parameters you decide. So what is the case is most important there.
So in the case of, let's say, cancer patients, have you noticed any patterns or trends among patients of types of responses that you
we usually give an anxiety scale, depression anxiety scale, we used to give the hard scale. But the POMS is very good actually, and quality of life. POMS and quality of life, if you look at that, actually, it is actually, once I open this, it is gone.